Yeah. Is Kermit trying to get the bone? Is he trying to get the bone? Are you guarding it? Uh-oh. Consider yourself warned, Kermit. Beebo, maybe I'm going to get the bone. Should I get the bone? Should I get that bone? Should I get the bone? I don't know. Maybe I should. Which one are you guarding? Should I get that one or should I get this one? There's two of them. Uh-oh. Which one should I get? Beebo, I'm going to get that bone. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Good boy. Maybe Kermit's going to get it. Oh, it's a standoff. Beebo, Kermit's going to get a bone. See? What you doing, Kermit? Kermit, hi. What's Puppy doing?